So today we will be discussing about the topic infographics. Okay. So first I will explaining you what are infographics basically. So what we will do, we will simply type infographics on Google and we will see what are infographics in the images. Okay. You must have seen these kind of infographics on LinkedIn profile and other platform where creators or digital marketers used to uh, digitalize or market their skills and market their products like this on any of the topic. Clear? So these are basically infographics, means you are getting information in the graphical mode. So these infographics can be utilized in any of the field, whether you are a digital marketer, whether you are an educator, whether you are uh, doing 9 to 5 job in any of the field, you can use these for the presentation. So when you will make PPT, so you can make these infographics. Some templates are there on the Google, but it depends whether they are useful for you or not. Like if we talk about this infographics, it has watermark. Okay, it has watermark. You want to use, you can use, but you should know how to remove this watermark. There are many AI tools through which you can remove the watermarks, which I have already told you while explaining the video editing sessions. Through Clipchamp also you can remove the watermark from any video or images. So, but our topic is how to uh, make infographics. How to make infographics. Clear? So, again, I will come on the Google and I will be typing in the URL directly infography.in. Okay? Infography.in you will be typing and you need to start for free. So, you can sign up for free from here or just start for free. And I will be logging in from my Google ID. So I have just already logged in with this Gmail ID. But when you will come to this is the interface of this infography tool. Okay, what you need to type infography.in. This interface will come when you will be logging in with the Gmail ID. Now, this is not a free tool, it's a paid tool, but you will be having 5 credits. 5 credits you will get for one Gmail ID throughout your lifetime. Okay, this tool will not give you credits again and again, like after 24 hours or after 1 month. No, only 5 credits per Gmail ID for one lifetime. Clear? So, if you want to use infography in your day-to-day work, you can go for the paid version of this tool. Or every person nowadays are having 3 to 4 Gmail IDs, so you can log in and then you can utilize as per your requirement. Clear? So that's the shortcut I have told you. But I recommend, if you want to do some professional work for your client, then you should go for the paid version of the tool. You can upgrade plan from here. You can see, we will see how many dollars, like light yearly. It's very cheap, like 7.5 per month. Okay, for month you want to use, it's 7.5 per month. Clear? In which you will get 50 AI credits per month. Per month you will get, and 100 plus languages supported, custom watermark. आप अपना watermark भी लगा सकते हैं, and email support of course. And when you will go for this pro plan, it is $15 per month. So again, I'm saying it depends whether you want to go for some professional work, then only. This is yearly. If we talk about this monthly. So monthly is this, light plan is $15 per month and pro is $30 per month if you go monthly. But when you will go yearly, so yearly will be like this plan. Okay, it depends upon you. Now 50% off on yearly plans. You can use this code and then 50% off will be there. Okay. Now it's time to again come to the home and see the interface, how you can use this interface in a very easy mode. So here is the ratio. 9:16 is for Instagram or any vertical, then square, horizontal, it depends upon you. So in which format you want to make the infographics. It depends upon where you want to upload. So if you want to upload on YouTube, not on YouTube, YouTube is for videos. That's on LinkedIn or on this Instagram. Then you should go for this 9:16 ratio. Clear? Vertical. Because Instagram goes with vertical images and vertical videos also. And you can change the size ratio according to your requirement. There are many languages. Hindi is also available. You can see when I will scroll down. Hindi, you can see from here. That's the Hindi language also. In Hindi also, you can make the infographics. Then sources. You can source you can convert any URL into infographics, any topic into infographics, any content you are having in the PDF or Word format can be converted into infographic or PDF file, whole PDF file. Whole PDF file, it will summarize and then accordingly the AI tool will work and make the infographic on particular PDF file. It's a new uh, version that they have added with this. And before this, only URL, topic, and content was there. Now, if we talk about URL of YouTube's and URL of this Google's, also you can, or any website, URL of any website you can utilize and paste here, and then you can generate the infographic. So first, I will be taking any URL and I will show you how to generate the infographics. And as you know, as I already told you that 5 credits are there, will be with you when you will logged in from Gmail ID, one Gmail ID. But after generating infographic, one infographic, you can go for editing. उसमें आप edit कर सकते हैं. You can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the text also. And for one infographic, you will be charged 1 credit. So with 5 credits, you can make 5 infographic. So from one Gmail ID, you can make 5 infographic. So I will be opening any URL. Like for example, let's go for any URL in the Gmail, like YouTube, we will see. Okay. URL of YouTube I will take. Let's check. So let's take this. I am a blunder master. Okay. World's coolest concept car. We will take this URL.
This AI tool is better.
Then what I will do, I will simply copy Control C and come to the infographic app. Okay. And just paste the URL over here. Clear? If you want to change the ratio, you can change the language. Just simply hit on the generate button. Usually it takes less than 30 seconds to generate. If it is going fine, then it will take only 30 seconds. Clear? So just wait for 30 seconds and then we will see what kind of infographics will be there according to that. It is related to some car, some amazing car. So we will wait for it and then 1 credit you can see it will be deducted from here. Now you can see it has generated everything. You can see how beautifully it has crafted everything. And it has given me, just see how many templates it has given me. Just count with me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So with 1 credit, you got 9 infographics, but on same pattern or same topic. Because the theme was Mercedes AVTR, the pinnacle of concept of car innovation. Okay, you can see here again. Mercedes AVTR, the pinnacle of concept of car innovation. So it will give you 9 templates, but you will get on the same topic. Clear? Now, from here, if we talk about, if suppose I like this interface, and here, if I don't like this interface and I can edit, I can do the editing. I can download all the templates, all the infographic templates, and I can go for editing also. And you can, when you will download, this watermark will not come. Right now it is showing infographic.in. When you will download, it will not come. Clear? Or if it is coming, then automatically you can remove the watermark from clipchamp.com and other AI tools also. You can just simply remove them. Now I will be showing how to edit them. So let's edit this only. So when you will click on edit, it will this interface will open. Okay. So like if you want to change the fonts, if you want to change the subheading font, if you want to change content font, then accordingly you can change. And you can change the color also. This is the color palette. From here you can do the changes of color also. Now heading. I told you that you can change the content also. Now here is a shortcut I'm telling you. Suppose you downloaded 9 or you got these 9 templates. So what you can do on the same theme, if you have something in your mind that you want to design some infographic, you can simply change the content. Suppose this is related to Mercedes, I can write here it's related to Mahindra. Okay, Mahindra cars EV. You can see it can change the topic, and then you can click on download and you can download it. If you want to change something, so with the same pattern, you can do the editing and as per your requirement. So with one credit, you can do so many things. Clear? Now, if I want to change the color, you can see from here, you can change the colors also like this. Now confirm it. You just see it has changed my color because it is my heading font. I choose the color palette of heading font. So it will change the color. Now it's right now it is red. I can show you how to change it from red to blue. Now just see it has changed the color. Clear? Now coming to this, there are many things here also. You can change the color from here also like this. Clear? So you just choose a new color, confirm it. So everything will get changed. You can see here it has changed. 1, 2, 3. Clear according to the color you choose. So content if you want to delete, you can delete and you can write your own content. Clear? Subheading के अंदर जो content है, you can change it. तो ये कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? You can see here it is written. The Mercedes AVTR. It is matching. So whatever you will write here on the left hand side, that will be showcasing over here on the infographic directly. Clear? So from the next time when you will be taking any seminar or webinar, you can use infographics to showcase your things and showcase your topic very effectively and innovatively. Clear? Now I will give you 3 minutes to use this tool and make one infographic and send me on my personal window. That's all from this session. Now I will be giving you 3 minutes. Just go for any YouTube URL and other websites also you can go on any PDF file if you are having. Just make one infographic and then send to me. This is your live work which I want to see. Okay, that's all from this session. You can download at the last. You can download also. You can download from here. Clear? Just click on the download button in the PNG format, in the JPG format, in whichever format you want to download, you can download because infographics are in the form of PNGs only. They are not available in the PDF. PDF upload नहीं होता है PNG and JPG form में ही photo form में ही ये upload होते हैं on different social websites. So you can download from here. Clear? Now it's time to generate one infographic. Just type infographic.in in your laptop or desktop computer and then do the things. I am waiting for your assignment to be completed right now. So I hope everyone has started. Please open your cameras and please confirm whether you are doing or not so that we can proceed accordingly. Okay, you are doing. Piyu sir, you are also doing. Okay, that's great. So how many templates it has given you, sir?
Nine only. Nine.
9. So I don't know,
Yeah.
something wrong prompt or something is means mistakenly. I think Anjali ma'am, you have done something wrong. कुछ तो problem है
Can
because it
you see my screen?
yes I can, but these
Yeah,
you
now.
need to scroll down, scroll
Now,
down. Uh-huh. Okay, great. That's great. Analysis of US China trade war. Great. Your favorite subject is social, I
uh,
think. Okay.
so I
Yes,
think
that
it has given 9 templates. Yeah.
okay, fine, fine. That's great. Okay, last one thing I want to discuss related to previous session. Like, Piyush sir, you made a video from InVideo. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just writing the tool name InVideo. See, it's a very powerful tool. So, and you can see this tool takes whenever you are giving any prompt. So this tool takes live images, okay, live images of the living beings. So this tool is very powerful. That's why it is paid, and you cannot remove the watermark from in video because there are many watermarks which are coming in between the video. So, and
Yeah.
that too in the bigger fonts. So that's not possible for any tool. Watermark remover is there, but it is not possible for that tool also to remove the watermark properly from InVideo. So what I suggest, go for simple process like generate the images from Leonardo.ai, give the animation from Vidu.ai, and then do everything in Clipchamp or CapCut is also one another tool. So go like this rather than directly going to InVideo. If you want to make
Mhm.
videos, then you should go for the paid version. Otherwise, it will not of any use if you will make the videos and uploading on YouTube with the watermark. So what will happen if your channel gets viral? So its monetization will be going to the InVideo company, not to you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Monetization
Mhm.
will go to InVideo company, not to you. So whenever you are uploading, you need to check copyright content and you need to see whether there are any paid tool watermark is there or not. So that's the
Okay.
case I was telling you on that day on the WhatsApp.
Yes,
You
yes.
need to make sure whenever you are making whatever the sound effects, whatever the music you are taking, that should be royalty free. Okay, we need to check this. If any error is coming on YouTube while uploading, you need to see. और watermark के साथ करेंगे तो you will not be able to monetize. तो थोड़ा issue आएगा बाद में जाके तो पूरी मेहनत खराब हो जाएगी. Okay.
Correct.
तो आई हैव गिवन यू दैट लियोनार्डो से आप इमेजेस जनरेट कर लो, उसको एनिमेशन दो पहले विडू से. विडू के तो फिर भी वाटरमार्क यू कैन इजीली रिमूव. ओके, एंड देन यू कैन अपलोड. तो जस्ट सी हाउ मेनी व्यूअर्स आर कमिंग, देन यू कैन गो फॉर दिस पे टूल. और जस्ट राइट नाउ डोंट फोकस ऑन अपलोडिंग द डाटा ऑन यूट्यूब. First, only both of you or all of you, those who are watching the recording also, those who are not coming live and they are just watching the recording. So for them also, my message is that just concentrate on generating and learning how to make and how to do the editing. And then when you will be getting the clients in the coming months, then you can go for the paid tools also. Clear? Because paid tools will work faster because client will give you some period of time like 2 days 3 days. In 2 days or 3 days he will be asking the videos from you. Okay, so paid tools will make your work faster also.
Mhm.
There is no need to think about watermark remover when you will buy the paid version. Then there is no need to think about the watermark remover. Automatically you can download the video without watermark. So that's the beauty of the paid tools. So first, try to make short videos only rather than just giving the prompt to in video. Just make short videos of 50 seconds 60 seconds like this, and try to make which I told you the process, and then upload on the YouTube. उससे आपको पता लग जाएगा whether you want to, whether you should go for the paid one or not, and where, by that the clients are approaching you or not. So accordingly आपको पता लग जाएगा in the coming 6 months. So just you need to wait for few months and then automatically will be everything will be on the track.
Okay.
Okay, that's all from the session. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and I will be coming with more such tools on the same topic. And I will try to find which one is free and having more credits, or having more credits. Clear? Thank you for the session.
Thank you.